Hello and welcome. You're watching India This Week. I'm Natasha Yoga. First, last week there's been controversy with an army tribunal ruling in favor of a brigadier who claimed personal bias led his boss to deny him his due after the Kargil war. The judgment on Brigadier Devinder Singh opened a can of worms and put Lieutenant General Kishan Pal, who led the formation that fought the Kargil war in 1999, in the spotlight. Now, after 11 years, Lieutenant General Kishan Pal has broken his silence. He says he is not entirely convinced if India really won that conflict.
When you look back after 11 years now, what is your assessment of that particular conflict? I don't want to call it a war, but the conflict.
Well, for 11 years, I did not speak at all because after the war, with each successive year, each successive day passing, including the last outrage which happened on 27th May, which partially has provoked me, not entirely. I did not speak because I have never been convinced about this war, whether we really won it. In my own heart of heart, I have always thought that we did gain some tactical victories. We regained back the territory we lost. We lost 587 precious lives. I consider this as a loss of war because whatever we gained from this war, it has not been consolidated either politically or diplomatically, and worst of all, which causes me cynicism and dismay, is it has not been consolidated militarily. We ended up after the war stringing out more than a division and a half up on the post. We have opened up the post, number of posts. How long and where all we'll open up the posts.
And Lieutenant General Pal also told NDTV that Kargil was an embarrassment and there was pressure, tremendous pressure on the army to act fast. He also raised questions on the then army chief.
I was saying that were you under pressure to produce quick results?
Yeah, your question relates to pressure. I would say was looking up to us as to what can we do? Can we quickly get rid of these fellows? It was a big embarrassment to everybody. Well, all I can say, right in the initial stages around 15th, 16th of May, if I recollect correctly, the chief was not there. He had gone abroad for more important international assignments. Vice Chief, Lieutenant General Chandrasekhar, he had come to Srinagar to discuss certain things with me. He told me that there is a lot of pressure. We have to clear this very fast. How long will you take? I told him, I said, sir, you know, in mountains, just even to mobilize a division basically will require nothing less than a month with all its logistics. He asked me, you tell me, how long will it take? 2 months? 15 days? Can you do it earlier? I said, by about 15th of August, I assure you that we should be able to get rid of these people and get into a situation which is more commanding